Are you ready for a New Year's beauty refresh? I know I am. Let's refresh without overwhelm. And in this video, I am walking you through everything from skincare upgrades or downgrades, simplification. We're going to declutter all our makeup and skincare, organize it so much better. But it's not just about a beauty refresh for skin, makeup, and all our essentials. It is also about the self-care routines that beauty incorporates, and we're going to walk you through that too. Ladies, this is the #1 video. I have never put together so many insider beauty secrets and so much information in one video as I'm going to give you today. So you've got to stick around because this is the best one ever, in my opinion. But we're going to walk you through everything step by step. Check this out. There are 7 steps to this New Year's beauty refresh. And the first one being we have got to simplify our skincare routine. Ladies, whether it's the stress and all the makeup that we've packed on over the holiday season, or just that you are overwhelmed because you've tried so many things and your skin is definitely telling you it is time for a break. Those kind of symptoms we look for are allergic reactions, irritation, overall stressed, whether it is a lot of bags stressing over the holidays or wrinkles or any of that depuffing. Most of us use too many products in our skincare routine. And this year, we are going to simplify with just 3. 3 steps that we're going to simplify down to give our skin a detox. We have got to refresh it. It takes 5 to 7 days to let our skin, the barrier, the pH balance, and everything involved to totally reset back to its original balance. And we're going to start with an oil-based cleanser. Why oil-based? It's winter. It's New Year's. We are going to give it the best nourishment that we can. And this one is from Mixsoon. It's off of TikTok. I sell it on my TikTok shop, but it is such a gentle cleanser. We don't need the foaming. We don't need the stripping. We need a gentle cleanser that is just going to take off the light base, clean our pores, and all the wonderful things that cleansers do. And the second step you need in your revamped or pared down skincare routine is a hyaluronic acid serum, some kind of hydrating serum. This is WNP from TikTok. They come in individual vials. This is more of budget versions that I am showing you. I always show you all the Lancome, but this is your second step. After cleansing, we're going to do the hydrating serum, and then we're going to follow up with a nourishing moisturizer. Now, nourishing means we're just going to put back just the essentials that your skin needs and the harsh active ingredients like the retinols, exfoliants, vitamin C's, and all those things that do the most stress to our skin. But this is our nourishing moisturizer, and it is from the Mixsoon line as well. It is supposed to be used in conjunction with the cleanser, and this is the bean moisturizer. These Mixsoon products are viral on TikTok. As you can see, I'm a fan. But we're just giving our skin just what it needs without all the extras. And you know I love my Lancome, so I'm also going to give you the best Lancome products for our easy pared down skin repair routine, and that is the cleanser is the Creme Mousse Confort. This is for any type of skin, especially sensitive skin that are prone to breakouts, allergic reactions, and all those things. It is such a gentle cleanser. It's just going to clean your skin without stripping it of the natural oils that our skin needs. And the best hydrating serum from Lancome is, of course, the award-winning Genifique serum that is going to be perfect for step 2. But the Lancome product that's going to give you a nourishing moisturizer is the Hydrozen, which has soothing botanicals to provide comfort from all sensitivities. And the reason our skin gets so stressed after a certain amount of time, whether it's over the holidays or not, is that we put so many different skincare ingredients with so many different active ingredients, the harsh chemicals, that your skin is saying, whoa, whoa, I had to share with you how I'm going to do this beauty reset. And like I said, it takes 5 to 7 days. We're going to give our skin a break. And the second step after simplifying our beauty routine is to get rid of all expired skincare and makeup products. Why? Because those active ingredients do fade or lessen or start to make chemical changes that could cause rashes, skin irritation, and even very heavy allergic reactions. It is very important. A lot of these chemicals that we put on our face, we have to make sure getting rid of the expired skincare with expired ingredients. When we're deciding to clean out our makeup and skincare, we need a guide. And that's why you got to go to the website. It's a perfect accompaniment for this video, and it's the Cosmetics Expiration Guide, and it's going to give you every cosmetic and makeup that you need and when the shelf life and expiration date of each one are. And then we have an excuse to go shopping, and we can replace with newer versions that are more shelf stable. They're healthier versions. And the third step is to reintroduce hydration. The first way is with a hydrating mist. This one is an excellent one that is viral on TikTok right now. Then we're going in with a richer, more thicker emollient moisturizer like the Absolute Longevity or a soft cream. The fourth step is to refresh our complexion routine. That means our first step in our makeup routine, how we're going to showcase our complexion. So we're going to swap out our heavier foundation for a lightweight or water-based foundation, as well as adding a glow product under a foundation. Another tip is to wear cream blush and cream bronzer. This is from Sachet Beauty. I love it. It is a cream blush that you twist up at the bottom, you dot on, and the glow is incredible. And also you're going to add a cream bronzer like this one from Fenty Beauty that I hear a lot of good things about. And if you don't want the full-on glow, mirror-like glass skin, we are going to micro highlight. And that means just using your highlight powder just on the upper portion of your cheek, the bridge of your nose, and your outside brow bone. Step 5 is we're going to update our signature lip color. And most winter makeup routines are berries, soft mauves, and neutral kind of nude palettes. The first one I want to show you is the Lancome Butter Glow Lip Balm. It is a lip balm, nourishing kind of skincare ingredient for our lips, perfect for a beauty refresh, but it has a tint of color, and these are all the shades that are available in the Butter Glow Lip Balm. And Lancome Le Absolute Rouge Cream Lipstick is a perfect example if you just want a lipstick instead of a lip balm. Another tip is to use a hydrating lipstick that is specifically formulated to help those dry, winter cracked lips. And the perfect budget version is drugstore from Revlon, and this is the Super Lustrous lipstick for $6.87. Step 6 of the New Year's Beauty Refresh is to refresh our beauty tools. And we all know that we're supposed to clean our brushes every week at least, but this is a perfect example. This I got at TJ Maxx. It was under $5. You put it in the bottom of your sink, and it has the little stoppers that actually hold it there, and one side is for cleaning and the other side is for rinsing. $5 investment. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. The next tip is to replace anything overused, like our little headbands. They get makeup and stuff on them. You can't really wash them. Toss it out and get a new one. Next tip is to wipe down your vanity and all those products that you touch and use all the time, and anything that is dusty, clean it up, get it refreshed. My tip for that is use your face cleansing wipes to do that. It is so quick, no heavy chemicals that's going to strip the wood off your vanity or harm anything. You take a face cleansing wipe, you can wipe off all your products, you can wipe off the vanity itself, and safely clean those little lights around your vanity. And the last step in the beauty portion of our New Year's Beauty Reset is organization. This is one of my favorite. I bought it off Amazon. It was $35. It's got all the interior pockets where stuff does not fall, and it rotates so you can find what you need fast. And here are some examples. We've got budget ones like these. We've got more expensive ones like these. But you can also go to TJ Maxx, Walmart, Target, anywhere, and get just the size and shape that fits your lifestyle, all your beauty equipment, and your vanity, even as far as drawers and whatnot. And now we're getting to the self-care part of our beauty refresh. And this is a 5-minute nightly self-care routine that incorporates the skincare part of it, but incorporates so much more as well. We are going to cleanse everything, put your hair back, get one of your favorite makeup removal products, and get everything off your face in preparation for the second step. And now we're going to add a night serum and a night cream. This one is my favorite night serum. This is from The Ordinary off TikTok. Also a night cream. And that is because our skin cells renew themselves at the highest rate overnight. So make sure that all of the products you are using at nighttime are specifically targeted for your skincare concerns. Now we're talking about lip and eye care, and this is from WNP as well. This is the Hydrating Eye Cream. And when you squeeze the product out on the top, when you put it against your skin, it vibrates and actually massages the product into your skin. It is wonderful. I absolutely love this and highly recommend it. And then we're going to do a lip exfoliation and a lip nourishment. This one is from the TikTok shop and it does both. The fourth step in our night routine is mindful relaxation. We're going to slow down, take a mindful moment, whether it's writing in your gratitude journal, reading your Bible, saying prayers, meditating, doing deep breathing. All of these things help our mind and our body reset, and that is so important, especially after a busy, hectic holiday season. And an extra tip for self-care that I'm going to give that I found out helps me so much, a lymphatic draining massage helps me so much. It gets all the fluids out. It actually helps depuff your eyes, reduce stress, headaches, so many wonderful benefits. And I'm going to take you through just a quick way on how to do that yourself with this incredible little thing called a gua sha tool. We're going to apply a hydrating massage oil so the tool glides effortlessly without tugging or pulling our skin. And we're going to focus on our neck, our jawline, and our face. The first is a neck sweep, and we are going to start on our collarbone, and we are going to glide up toward our jawline, and we are going to do this for 1 minute. Repeat 3 to 5 times on each side. The second technique is to glide it along your jawline up towards your earlobe, and we are also going to do this 3 to 5 times on each side, and this helps with lymphatic drainage, stimulation of blood flow, and reduces puffiness. The next one is the bridge of our nose all the way up our cheekbone. Also going to do this 3 to 5 times on each side. And the last step is from the bridge of the nose under our eye, and we are also going to do this 3 to 5 times on each side. And the final one is the forehead sweep, where we are going straight across the forehead toward our temple 3 to 5 times and on each side. Ladies, I know this was a lot of information and I've given it to you quickly, but it is so important. And I promise at the end of this 5 to 7 days, if you practice the steps that I've shared with you, your skin will look better, you will feel better, and you will be more refreshed going into a new year. So if you need to, save this video, screen record it, take notes, and don't forget to get the cosmetics expiration guide that's available on the website, kimsbeautybiz.com. There are a lot of professional insider secrets and techniques in this video. So comment below if you have any questions. Share this with a friend. It could be so helpful for anyone. You guys, I hope you had a wonderful holiday. Let's make 2026 a glorious new year and spread love and vitality and peace and prosperity through everyone we meet. Till next time, much love.